Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited because I am finally doing another video on my YouTube channel. It is going to be my go-to mommy makeup and hair tutorial. I posted a picture on my Instagram and a few of you were interested on how I get this natural glowy look and this messy hairstyle. I just recently cut my hair short, and honestly, I'm really loving this hairstyle. I always said that if I end up cutting my hair short, I wanted it to look a little messy. A hairstyle where it doesn't even look like I've been trying. You know, it's very easy. This has been my go-to makeup every single day, except for the weekends. On the weekends, I like to include a little bit of a dark eyeshadow with some dramatic eyelashes, but of course, during the week when I'm just going to work or staying home or whatever, I just skip this step, the dark eyeshadow and the lashes. But if you do not want to wear dramatic eyelashes, they do have one of my favorites. It's the Ardell Wispies. They're very natural. So for those of you who are interested, thank you so much for letting me know, and hopefully you enjoy this video. And let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Alright, the first thing that I like to use is a facial spray. You can use any brand that you'd like. This is just to set the face before applying primers. And here I'm going to be applying the L'Oreal Illuminating Primer. This will turn your face white, but make sure you smooth it out very, very good. After that, I'm going to start using my favorite foundation, which is from Makeup Forever HD Foundation Stick. And I will list down below my shade number. This is a great foundation. They have several different colors. It's easy to blend, and this is more for a medium to full coverage. So if you want that full coverage, just keep applying it wherever you need it. So I cannot forget this step. I always use color correctors for my dark under eye circles. And here I am using the NYX Color Correcting Concealer, and this is in the color medium, which is a peach tone color. Two concealers that I like to combine, it is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. The colors that I'm using is Ginger from Nars and Light Neutral from Urban Decay. Then with this beauty sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, and I'm also going to blend it on my eyelid so that I can use this as the base for my eyeshadow. To set the foundation and concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Mineralize Skinfinish from MAC, and this is in the color medium golden. This is so that I can have the matte finish and also extra full coverage. You don't have to do this step if you don't want, but I highly recommend to set your face with some powder. Then using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Give Me Sun. This is just to give myself a little bit of contour around the face, just to give myself a little bit of dimension. I like to use this on the cheekbones, a little bit on the forehead, and then sometimes I do like to apply some on my nose. Using the same Give Me Sun bronzer, I'm also going to use it as an eyeshadow. This is to give the eyes some dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a fluffy brush and just apply it on the crease, buffing it out. And I'm going to go with Makeup Geek Shimma. And I always like to apply this on the inner corner just so that my eyes can stand out and give me that awake look, if that makes sense. Usually if I don't wear any eyeshadow on the inner corner, my eyes tend to look a little bit more tired. So that's a little trick in case you just want that inner corner to pop. And then after that, I like to add just my favorite mascara. You can use any favorite mascara. And for brows, this is one of my favorites and my go-to all the time. It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm using the color Dark Brown. Here, I'm not really trying my best to make them look perfect, but I just like to fill them in just a little bit. And then I like to use this Gimme Brow. It's a tint brow mascara that I just like to apply just to make my brows look a little bit fuller. And I couldn't stop there. I had to go back to the eyes just because on the weekends I like to wear something a little bit more dramatic on the eyes, so I went with some black eyeshadow, just kind of creating like an eyeliner look, and then applying it on the outer corner and then just blending it out with some more Gimme Sun bronzing powder. Then you can just apply your favorite false lashes. These are my favorites. They're from Eyelure number 26, I believe. And just with any black eyeliner, I just apply it on the waterline. I don't apply any eyeshadow because this is something that I have to do fast, on the go. I don't have time to, make it look pretty. And then I just apply my favorite mascara. Then for my blush, this is going to be, I believe it's from MAC. It is the color Peach. And just to give that glow, but not that glitter glow, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. And I like to apply that on the cheekbones, under the brows. Then I'm going to be using my favorite lip combo. I've been using this every single day. I am using the lip liner from NYX in the color Mauve and using the liquid lipstick from Stila in the color Patina. I just feel like this is a very stunning and natural lip color. And finally, I'm going to use my makeup setting spray, and this completes the makeup look. So now it's time for hair. Here I do have second day hair, which I don't wash my hair every day. I try to wash it every 2 days or so, just because I want to keep the color of my hair healthy and I don't want it to get damaged. And right here, just with any dry shampoo, I'm just applying it to my hair just to absorb any oiliness if I have it. Then I'm going to part it from the bottom, and I'm going to pick up the rest of my hair with the clip. I'm going to start from the bottom to top. So from the bottom, I'm just going to curl it a little bit. Because the bottom, you usually don't see it a lot. It doesn't need to be fully curled, but I just like to grab a few pieces of the bottom and just curl it. Here I'm using a ConAir curling iron. I swear I don't know how long I've had this. It's been a few years. I believe the size of it is probably 1 inch, but any curling iron that you have will work. I like to use the ceramic one. Then just start working from the bottom to the top. Just start curling your hair. I personally don't do perfect curls just because I know that after I am done, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. But if you want the perfect curl, if you want the perfect curl, just switch different positions as you're curling. So if you wanna do one inward facing you to the front and then doing one outward facing the back, and just alternate that way. But here I'm just fast forwarding it. I'm just doing the same routine, just curling it. And as I mentioned, it's not perfect. Finally, after I am done curling it, I let it sit for maybe 2 minutes for it to cool off. And then this is where I start running my fingers through my hair just to make it look messy. So that is it, you guys. This is my go-to mommy hair and makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!